Hey YouTube friends, how are you? Welcome back. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jessie from Jessie's Creations. Good to have you here. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today I'm stopping by to show you how to make banana nut bread right at home. It's super moist, delicious. This is the only recipe you'll ever need, and these are using the ingredients pictured here. Now I did use 1/3 cup of salted butter. You do want to omit the salt, the additional teaspoon of salt if you are using salted butter. But of course, if you're using 1/3 cup of unsalted, definitely add in that teaspoon of salt. But basically you'll need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, your 1 egg, and I used a large, and then also 1/3 cup of butter. And salt is at your discretion if you go with unsalted or salted. And then you'll add in the 3/4 cup of sugar. If you're going with the salted butter, just go ahead and add at least 1 cup and 1/4. That's what I would recommend. So you want to start off by adding your egg along with that sugar just to get that all incorporated, and then go ahead and add your teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and just mix in your stand mixer, or you can do it by hand, just whisking as well. Now, one thing I didn't mention is that I did add 2 ripe bananas in this case, but you can go with 2 to 3. You want to start off with mixing it all together. Once you've finished there, you can go ahead and add your flour in halves. So first part and then your second part, once you get that all incorporated, and then add in the butter at this point. Mix, and then add your second half of flour along with the remaining ingredients. It's super easy to make this. You will get about 2 tin loaves of banana nut bread from using this, and of course adding walnuts is completely optional. You can add in chocolate chips instead. It's definitely up to you and your likings. Now in this case I used 2-pound tins to add in my added ingredients there, just because I do not have the loaf tins. So I'm well aware of that, but it turned out just as delicious. I do hope that you try this at home, since it is very easy and moist banana nut loaf. And let me know how you like this recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.